Are you skinny and you want to learn how to hit poses like this?
Fuck.
Pose like this. Here's my basic calisthenic workout. Get right. We're going to start with our chest. First, we're going to stretch. I'm really just putting weight on my wrist, you feel me? Calisthenic, use them wrists. Then we're going straight into the push-ups. 25 regular push-ups, 25 diamond push-ups, 25 wide push-ups, 25 decline push-ups, and 25 incline push-ups. Let's do it. After that, we're going straight into the biceps. Smack them biceps, boy. We're going to do 2 sets of 12 regular, you feel me? Just hit them mugs. Then we're going to do 2 sets of 12, go up regular, drop them down, hammer, you feel me? And then our last one, we're going straight, 1 arm each, burn out. I'm literally hurting. Boom. After that, we're going to the abs. Let's do it. Yo, what this cat doing? Yo, just vibe. Boom, we're going to start 25 regular sit-ups, you feel me? Then we go 25 of these. This is my favorite one. I hate these right here. We're going 25 of these. Boom, boom, boom. So pretty much 12 each side. Then lower abs, 25-second flutter kicks and scissor kicks. My cat messed it up. 25 of these must hurt. I don't know what these called, but I like these kind of. Boom. Then we're going to hit 25 of these. These going to hurt too, but they're going to get you so right. Then we're going to do that same workout. We're going to put our toes down. We're going to hit even harder. And then look, we in there.